Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to our Pixie Look, our YouTube channel. In this video, you can see these of the woman best amazing pixie haircut ideas. Amazing pixie hair. You can see this in my video today, so please girls and guys watch my full video, enjoy my all video. They are amazing haircut fashion. Today you can see this like America woman, USA woman, Italy woman, Spain woman, Mexico woman, worldwide best amazing haircut ideas I am showing on my video today. So please girls and guys watch my full video, enjoy my all video. Their golden color of look of haircut is really amazing. Different brown color and black color. Their haircut very amazing. Different golden color and black color. Their long hair in this moment transformation of long to short. Boom! Wow! They are amazing transformation. You can see this. I love these in this type transformation. Different you can see this black and brown. Their haircut idea very beautiful. Different you can see this golden and black color haircut fashion very awesome. Different you can see this girl very amazing combination. I like it. And also black color hair. You can see this amazing haircut idea. They are pixie hair, very beautiful hairstyle. I love these in this type fashion. What do you like it? Please girl tell me in my comment box. Different silver color of look of haircut, very beautiful. Different hot woman, they are golden color look of haircut idea, very beautiful. Here we go. They are different. You can see these very short undercut pixie look, really amazing combination. I like these in this type idea. Different black and brown, their look of hairstyle, very beautiful. Silver color haircut idea, very awesome. Golden and black color, their haircut idea, very awesome. Different you can see these amazing golden color haircut fashion, my favorite of one. I love these in this type idea. Different fine look of hairstyle, very beautiful. Different silver color haircut idea, very awesome. I like it. Their golden color look of haircut fashion, very awesome. I like it. Different golden color and black color, their haircut idea, very amazing. You can see this girl. Different golden color look of haircut, very beautiful. Different you can see the black and brown, their haircut fashion, very awesome. I like it. Different silver color, their pink color of haircut, their backside undercut haircut look. You can see this girl, really amazing idea. Different black hair style, you can see this is my favorite one. You can see this girl, black color, different look of haircut idea, very awesome. I love these, such amazing fashion. Different black color look of haircut, very awesome. I love this in this type fashion. Different you can see this girl, amazing golden haircut idea, very awesome. Different you can see this golden and black color, their look of haircut, very awesome. Cutting with also you can see this machine, wow, very satisfying. They are amazing haircut idea. Black color look of haircut, very beautiful. I love this, such amazing, such a beautiful fashion. Different you can see this girl, amazing black color look of haircut, very beautiful. Here we go. They are also black and brown, their haircut, very amazing. Different silver color haircut idea, they are very amazing. Here we go. The different silver and black color haircut fashion, very awesome. Different black color look of haircut, wow, in this woman they are very awesome. I like it. Different golden and black color look of amazing hairstyle. I love this in this type fashion. What do you like it? Please girl tell me in my comment box. Different golden and black color look of haircut, very beautiful. Different silver color look, very beautiful. Thank you so much for the watching.